Who is this?
Kylie Petrie.
Who is picking up Kylie Petrie?
Lauren Beaumont.
Okay, Lauren Beaumont. You need to come pick up your passenger.
Squat.
Hang in there. Whoa.
It's a what?
Leap.
Well, where is she?
Is that legal?
go.
Can she
She's
squat,
coming.
Billy? Squatting is legal. Okay.
There she goes.
Stay squatted.
Oh, that might be hard on the legs. Sure would be for me.
I'm yelling squat. Jackie's yelling stand up.
You look like a spider monkey up on that wall.
Throw her a peanut. She'll be all right. Here she comes. Hang on.
Check, 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 check.
Whoa.
You might have to turn, spider monkey.
Come on, Kai, you can do it, babe.
We make the barrel wobbly on purpose to make it more difficult.
Yes, you can.
You can do it, Kai.
Bless her heart.
It's okay. You got it.
You can do it. We'll get the horse over there a little closer.
Gracie's like, why is she on the barrel? I'm supposed to turn this thing.